Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with ISEE here once again. Same packaging as before. As I open the box, I see the wig. I also got some lashes in there as goodies. I got a pair of HD wig caps, a ISEE elastic headband, a comb and brush, a extra elastic band, and a drawstring bag, which is perfect for storage. Now this is today's wig. Okay, this is ISEE Bodywave Glueless wig, pre-plug, pre-cut, M cap 9x6 lace wig, and it's 180% in density and 18 inches long. Now this is a construction. As you can see, they're curved at the ear portion there, and there are also 3 combs on the inside. These are added for security, as you know, and it just makes wearing the wig way easier, especially it being glueless, definitely. And then it has an adjustable elastic band on the inside attached as well. I went ahead and adjusted that to how tight I wanted it to fit when I apply it, and the hair is a natural 1B color, as you can see. I went ahead, slipped it on, and that is looking pretty good. The wig was pretty snugged on my head. Absolutely love that. The hair is also very lightweight. As I say, it's 18 inches long, 180% in density, so yeah, that's pretty light. There was a little bit of shedding, so there is minimal shedding, so please do note that. The hair is pretty silky and soft though, so I like that. So that's how it looks up close. Absolutely no adhesive, guys. This is perfect for all my beginners, okay, all my people who cannot be bothered with long installation periods. Perfect wig for you, okay? Very, very convenient. So I'm just going in and hot combing the roots of the hair, because you guys know I love when my wigs lay flat. And I pretty much just moved into the first look that I wanted to do with the wig. I opted for something like a made half up, half down, which you're gonna see in a few. Very easy, very to the point.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, ooh, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, ooh, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, ooh, you take me higher. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
There's so much space that we're working with this wig. It's a 9x6, as I said, so you can go in and you could style it various ways. You could do braids or whatever, anything that you want to do. I pretty much just went in and I kind of refreshed these curls, because as you can see, they're just giving super natural and effortless. So I wanted them to be a little bit more put together, still loose and effortless, but a little bit more, you know, refreshed. So I went in with my curling iron there, and I was just going through that process. But the first look I wanted to rock, well, my second look that I wanted to rock with this wig was a center part, and so that's what I got into after curling the hair up, which you'll see in a few.
With you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do,
My final look was doing a side part. All right, and all these looks, as you can see, are so easy. 1 2 3 ABC. Anybody can go ahead and apply this wig on their own and style them the same way, or explore and do other styles, and it will look so good. It's very easy, very easy. ISEE here knew what they were doing. So yeah, I absolutely love that. And as I say, glueless, completely glueless, as I just took my hot comb to, you know, get it really laid in the side part.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Let me know how you like it. These curls came out so gorgeous. Oh my god, I loved it, love it. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, as well as all the information and specifications, so go ahead, check that out. Shout out to ISEE once more. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.